Today we're going to make iced coffee by using everyday kitchen ingredients in your fridge. You're going to need some coffee. I have a Keurig machine at home, so I'm going to use a K-cup, a mug to make your hot coffee in, a spoon, a cup to put your iced coffee in, some ice of course, some coffee creamer, French vanilla is my favorite, and some sugar. First, you're going to go ahead and make your coffee. I have a Keurig machine, so I'm going to put the K-cup inside, and then I'm going to select the settings for it to brew. Whatever method you use to make your coffee, I strongly recommend for an adult to help, especially since you'll be working with hot liquids. When your coffee is done, you're going to put it to the side to let it cool down for at least 20 minutes. I'm also going to stir in my sugar. After my coffee is cooled down, I go ahead and open up my cup, and then I start to put ice inside. I fill my cup all the way to the top. Then I pour in my coffee creamer. You can pour in as much coffee creamer as you like. Have an adult help you pour your cool coffee over the cup of ice. Be careful because this can get messy. Tighten the lid on the cup and carefully swirl it around so that you can mix up the ingredients. There you have it, iced coffee by using everyday kitchen ingredients. Enjoy and thanks for watching!